I'm Chef Aniello from Four Seasons Hotel Nashville. I'm the chef of Mimo restaurant, that we are an Italian restaurant where, we love to say that where Italian comfort food meets the Southern hospitality. Today we're going to prepare something very special. This ravioli filled with ricotta and spinach. The sauce on the base is going to be butternut squash, Parmesan vacche rosse sauce, and some meat sauce. It's going to be perfect for the holiday season. We're going to add inside the ricotta cheese. We're going to grate some Parmesan cheese. 100 grams of semolina flour. So in this case we have 300 grams, eggs, we're gonna make sure that the pasta dough is very consistent. So as you see, the consistency in this pasta is pretty firm. We're gonna rest for half an hour after that. The consistency of the pasta changed because we let it rest for one night in this case. We combine the pieces together to make sure that we have one long sheet of pasta. This one is around 8. We're gonna do 8 centimeters square. I'm gonna spray some water on the top of the pasta to stick the edge together. It's just simple water. Add a little bit more water. It's not important if the edge is not perfect, because later we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna show you how. You're gonna put a little bit of water on the sides over here. You press in the middle, and then you close the two corners like that. Over here we have the butternut squash puree that we did before, and here there is some meat sauce or meat jus that is gonna give a lot of flavor. You can remove this one. This is just basically like a gravy that you can take from leftover when you do the turkey, or when you do the Sunday roast, at all the base of the cooking. You can combine together and make into a delicious sauce. So we're gonna boil the pasta. We're gonna add some Parmesan cheese as well inside the butter. So we're gonna put the sauce at the bottom. That is like a butternut squash puree, as I told you. It's pretty colorful. Then we're gonna plate the ravioli all around the sauce. I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce on top of the ravioli itself, like that. Then I'm gonna finish with the sauce. And another Parmesan reduction. This is a melted Parmesan cheese with a little bit cream. And that's all. So this is our ravioli. That for sure is gonna make you very happy, pretty sure. As you see, the steps are very easy and comfortable to replicate at home. So enjoy.